It's also a very nice day on the 26th of July 2024. We have Kauppakartanonkatu, Andreas-Gårdsgatan 10 stakes be here in Itäkeskus, Västra Centrum, Helsinki's Forsvarsmuseet, Finland, Schindler 1784B. The these 8 versions was Itäkeskus frames was added in the early 2000s, maybe 2002 or so, but the building dates back to 1985,
Yeah.
which should have had here. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8.
Yeah.
This is weird, but it's not, it cannot be.
Yeah.
But 3, 0 and 1, 2, 3. No, yeah, 0 is the
Yeah.
4. But still 2 rights here.
Yeah.
It's so weird, there's 6 and 8.
Yeah. Niistä tiitpaikki vaikuttaa, että meidän työpaikka on. It's nothing new. Strange. But there is no minus one. Yeah, no. Of course not.
Because there's no basement floor.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's